Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these wrist braces by ComfyBrace. These things are absolutely awesome. I'm going to tell you, can you wash them in the machine? Can you wear them overnight? Which hands do they work for? I am going to cover all of that in this video. You are going to get two of these right over here. It is one size fits all. I'm going to show you exactly how they go on and everything you should know. I also have some keyboards right over here so you can see exactly what it would be like if you wanted to type with these on. So this is the brace right here itself. It is adjustable. You have by Velcro straps. You have 3 Velcro straps. For these here, they work for either hand. There's no right or left. You'll notice here, we got a little meshy sleeve right over here, which is nice for the rotation. And then right over here, up top here, you'll see here we have a cushion beads. This is great for like neutral hand position, so you could kind of keep that going. And then we have a metal splint right in here, kind of for the support. So how this is going to work, you're literally just going to take your hand like this, get it through, put the whole hand in just like that, put your thumb through just like that. Now your hands are super free at this point. You could adjust this if you want to. I tend to tuck that in a little bit, and then we're ready for Velcro. Now, you could put this wherever you want. You can make it as tight as you want or whatever you want to do. So you could not, this is not ideal for typing and doing stuff like that just because you just really can't. The brace is a little bigger. You probably could a little, but it's going to be a little intrusive when it comes to that. Now, in terms of the washability of this. So you're going to want to wash this with water and air dry it. You don't want to put this in the washing machine or anything like that and the air dry. The nice part about this fabric and material, it is very breathable, meaning it's not, your hands not going to sweat in this. You're not going to get it all like smelly and gross or anything like that. Which is the nice part about this. I do like that it is adjustable. It's kind of like a one size fits all as well. You don't have to worry about getting the right size or anything like that. Now, you can sleep with these overnight, which is really nice, a nice option. Some of the braces out there, they don't really give you that option, or it's not recommended rather. So for this one, I'll show you this one right over here. So you can just see that it does work on both hands. So for this side right over here, you're just going to kind of put your hand the other way, just like that. And then we're going to just tighten like that, just like so. I am wearing a Apple Watch right now. And that doesn't really affect it. Obviously, if I wanted to see the time, that's not going to work, but I could also wear that if you want. These are going to be great, watching TV or you're just kind of sitting around. And just really nice. Again, you have that breathable fabric material, and it does come in this nice little box right over here, and you'll see everything that comes with it. They even have instructions on the back. I tend to keep these gloves in that box as well, so you could store them in the box, or you could just let them be and kind of just hang out wherever. So if you are looking for some great wrist support for carpal tunnel or just in general because you type a lot, work a lot at a computer, these are kind of great for that, especially overnight. Again, probably not the best to work and type with, but overnight, these are super comfortable, very breathable. My hand is never hot in these. So if you're looking for some great braces, definitely check these out. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right brace for you.